So it's really asking yourself, do my beliefs, are they leading me to what I want in my life? Everything else that falls into place, our behavior, our actions, our life experience, our reality, all starts with the mind. Knowing this and starting to change those beliefs to a belief that, you know what, I don't have the education, but I have the charisma and I have other gifts, and those gifts will get me to where I want to be. Your thinking, your beliefs is what drives your life experience. So I welcome you